I can't talk right now. Estoy siendo hugger. Bienvenidos muses, regresé con otro video. Es tu favorita morenita y regresé con un nuevo video. Dime linda, dime, ¿cómo ustedes están? Hello. Yes, I'm feeling this shirt all the way. I think I got this from Pretty Little Thing. Self-care, and then it gives you the definition as a noun. The practice of taking an active role in protecting one's own well-being and happiness. I'm reading it upside down, so you know. Anyways, but yeah, this shirt defines me. I am her. She is me. Yes. Today's video, let's get into some simple glam. I feel like we've been doing the most, and we're definitely gonna be doing the most. But I want to make it look like we did the most, but not really. And we look cute, and we look bad. Yeah, whatever that means. I'm gonna try not to make it really glam, pero don't clock me if I do, so just go with it. You guys excited? Vamos a comenzar. First things first, I'm gonna hydrate my skin. I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty, Always an Optimist setting spray. It's so good. See how it just makes the skin, it just looks like so hydrated. Let's go into color correcting. Going with my MAC Pro Conceal. Esta naranja aquí. I'm taking this color right here. Simple glam is always fun because you swear that you're not gonna do the most. And then ta-da! You do the most. You see how just like correcting this. I'm finding that this is darker. It's just weird. I don't know. And the lights make it look a lot more like, cause I'll be like in real time, I'll be like, oh, and then I come here, be like, oh my god. Vamos a difuminar eso. Cause even just like correcting with that, it just already looks like the complexion looks even. So I'm gonna go in with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation. I'm gonna go in with the shade Amber Honey 5N2. And it just like, it just goes into the skin like, so good. All right, I'm just gonna go in. We're just gonna, ooh! Don't worry, I am gonna go back to underpainting. I've been reading your comments. Let me just hide my, I've been reading your comments. So I've been trying to like figure out the best technique again. Hold on. Let me go in with my sponge. I've actually been obsessed with these two powders for my morenitas and morenitos. Dark Deep from one side and the translucent medium deep Mercier. Use any of these, whichever you prefer to set your face. I'm gonna go in with Mercier for today. Just, I don't want no pores over here. Just. Oof. Base looks incredible. All right. Moving on to our eyes. So I think we've been doing our concealer wrong. I've been seeing like these TikToks and like these like makeup experts talk about how you're supposed to put your concealer on. And I feel like I've been dragging my face down. So I saw something that DK, hold on, let me look at it. Because I was like, let me see what you're talking about. So apparently we've been doing our concealer wrong. ¿Tú sabías eso? Okay, so I'm gonna take my concealer and apparently instead of going in triangle shapes, I'm gonna go like this. I just want to. Apparently, if we do it like this, can I put it here too? So I'm just gonna go in and blend right here, right here. All right. Ugh, I knew I had something in my mouth. Okay. I'm just going to. Low key. I do feel like my eyes are going up. Have you guys tried this before? All right. Okay. Okay, let me go in with my brows. I'm gonna go in with NYX Cosmetics, NYX Professional Makeup. I'm gonna go in with the micro brow pencil in Chocolate. And I'm just going to... Yeah, I'm gonna take some concealer and let's clean up these caterpillars. Okay. I do want to see what it looks like with like color. So I'm going with the Make It Forever. Okay. And then I am gonna go here. I'm not sure if you're supposed to go here, but I am. Okay. I'm gonna let that sink. Let me go in and add some brow gel. I'm thinking maybe like a clear one. I'm gonna go in with Milk, Kush Brow. Okay, let's go in. Let's see, this hack is supposed to like give us a natural facelift. Okay. All right. My nose is looking a little wonky, but I'm not mad at it. Let me go in with my Uoama stick, and I am gonna pour here. And I've been obsessed with this Milk Cosmetics contour brush. We're just gonna drag the rest right here. Now, right. Yeah. I do feel like my face does look lifted. Or is this just me gassing myself? Como like, no sé. Déjame hacerme tan ahí. ¿Dónde está mi brush? All right, for people who are gonna say something about my brush, this brush has been with me since the beginning of my career, and she's hanging on, and I have never gotten rid of it. It reminds me of how far I've come. Does anybody have a brush like that in their collection? All right, for my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Melted Chocolate Matte Eyeshadow. Esto aquí. Definitely want like a matte momento. Yo, the way I have hair everywhere. I'm gonna go in with Gingerbread, and this is from Colored Raine. And I'm just going to go right here. Look how pretty. Like, look at this color here, and like, look at how it translates. Just gonna like mute out my whole look. I'm gonna do it to the other eye. Let me just make sure. go in with the Inglot numero 77, number 77. She dry. I'm gonna add the Makeup by Mario manipulator. Yes, like that, and I'm just going to. On these Birdy lashes. Congratulations. I'm going in with the Style Dream. I don't know why my camera wasn't filming just now. Oh, gracias a Dios que me di cuenta. Gracias a Dios que me di cuenta. Porque me conoce. Alright guys, to intensify my liner, because it was bothering me. I almost started over. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I almost started over. I went in with the Makeup by Mario, and this is the Master Pigment Pro Pencil, and did she save the day? Oh my God, I was so happy about that. And I'm thinking about maybe I should like set my face the way I did my concealer, right? No? I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance, and this is the True Complexion Contour Palette in medium to dark. And I've already hit pan on this because she's a staple. I'm gonna brighten under my eye with some MAC in some NC42. And this is just gonna like lock us in. I'm gonna go in and contour my nose. My Black Radiance. For blush, I'm gonna go in with Mareabeaute, and this is the Blush Taro Terra Rouge. Look at how pretty this color is. Okay. I'm gonna go in with some Monsieur. This is the Monsieur Big Lancome mascara for my bottom lashes. Why not even from right here? Chestnut, yeah, I know I'm doing nude. Ooh, I think I want to try something. I'm gonna take this Dose of Colors Chocolate Wasted, and I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go in with Lurella Cosmetics, and this is in Love That For You. I'm just gonna. Ooh. I'm gonna go in with MAC. All right, my loves, here is the final look to my simple glam look. First of all, the vibe of this video, y'all like it? Because low-key, I might start getting more colors like this because it just feels like it feels very homey for me. And even just being like en una camiseta, like I'm really here for la vibra. ¿Qué ustedes piensan? Today's look, very simple glam momento. You know what? I don't know if I see a huge difference, so I'm gonna do a side-by-side video if you guys want me to. So like this video if you want me to do a side-by-side of, you know, like makeup artist tips and then like what I think I should do to my face. You know, I'm just gonna do a comparison of like how I do my makeup and how we're supposed to do our makeup, or how we're supposed to do it in quotations, because there's really no right or wrong. Whatever fits your aesthetic or whatever works for you is whatever works for you. I don't care what makeup artist, how many degrees or how many years in the game. Like, you're the only person who knows your face, right? But I'm intrigued to see if there is a proper way of doing certain things, or if I would look different. But I hope you guys had a wonderful, happy holidays, and I love you guys. And if I don't say it enough, I love you guys. I am so grateful for you guys this year. I know this year has been tough, and I just want to give you guys a virtual hug, and I'm sending you lots of love, lots of prayer, and lots of positive vibra, and I pray that 2021 treats us very delicately, and yeah, I really hope that 2020 is good to 2021 is good to us. We need it, and it would be refreshing to start the new year, but I'm going to go into 2021 just being grateful. And if there's anything that I've learned in 2020 is gratitude, and to look around you with the little that you have, with all that you have, and just be happy with where you are right now. If you're watching this video and you feel like you're not enough, let me remind you, you are. Don't let any number, don't let any dollar amount, don't let any person ever put a value on your worth. You are worth it, and you matter. So I leave that to say that I love you guys, and you guys have managed to rock with your girl for a while. And when I haven't been at my best, when I have been at my best, when I've been in the middle, when I haven't been here, and I just want to let you guys know that it doesn't go unseen. And thank you for not just treating me as like a bot. I'm a human. I go through things. Sometimes I'm okay, sometimes I'm not, but we're keeping it pushing. And I'm the proof of that. We keep it pushing, we keep going, because I'm a believer that when we project good into this world, the universe will give it right back to us. So I love you guys. Be kind to one another, be kind to yourselves, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah! Adios.